Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I am going to teach you a special statement called switch statement, which helps to test a variable against several different possibilities or options. And this is kind of same as if else statement, but with a clear syntax. And you can also do different things with it. So now in this example, I'm just going to be taking grade like a student grade A, B, C, D. So in order to do that, we want variable. So character grade equals to C, or I am taking it in capital. And now here is the syntax for switch statement. You type the word switch and then right after it you type what you are going to be testing in brackets. I am testing grade. Then in parenthesis the variables that can have those possibilities. Well, it's grade, it can have four possibilities, which is the letter A, B, C, D. So in between curly brackets we are going to be writing all those possibilities that could have. So in order to do that, we use a syntax case, then space and the value that it could be possibly equal to. So the first thing is in single inverted quotation A, then add space and a colon. Now you can read this like a sentence. So it's saying test grade to see what it is equal to in the case of A, what we want to happen. So after colon you can either write one single statement or a bunch of statement, whatever you want. So I am going to printf excellent \n. So when a student get A, the program will print excellent. Now after this I want to add keyword break under this entire switch statement. I am going to explain you guys why I did that, and if I say it now it's not going to make sense. So on the next line we need to put another case. So I'll just copy this and paste it here. So in case B, I'll print very good. In case C, I'll print good, and in case D, I'll print average. So now what this switch statement will do, test this character right here, and if it's an A, do this. If it's an B, then do this. If it's an C, then do this. And if it's an D, then do this. And however, when all cases are done, we will add one last case, and that's default. And what this means, if you go through the character A, B, C, D, and if the character is not from any of those, then run this statement. So in order to do that, put default colon print f. I'll be printing not valid because we have 4 variables. In my case, you can put anything here. So if we run this will print good, because here character grade equal to C and case C prints good, so it prints good. That's how we use switch statement. I hope you understand the tutorial. If you have any queries, you can ask me on comment section. That's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel.